that is known as SCR. SCR means nothing but silicon control rectifier. Okay, nothing but it is a three-terminal device made up of silicon. The three terminals are anode, cathode, and gate terminal. Okay, it's having nothing but it's mainly having three junctions that are known as J1, J2, and J3. Okay, it's maybe having four layers are being used to construct the silicon of SCR. Nothing but the four layers are PN, PN. Another one is NP, NP. Okay, if you take a PN, PN, the outer layers or electrodes are heavily doped. Whereas the middle layer or electrodes are lightly doped. Okay, it mainly acts as control switch or it is used to allow the flow of current. In this, the gate acts as a control terminal for flow of current. Okay, in SCR mainly the anode is positive terminal, whereas the cathode is negative terminal. How the symbol look like? Nothing but it's a cathode, it's an anode, and it is a gate terminal. It's having four layers. Nothing but P, N, P. Another one is N. It is anode, it is cathode, and it is a gate terminal. It's having three junctions, that is J1, J2, and J3. Okay, the SCR can be working of SCR means anode is connected to positive terminal of a battery, where cathode is connected to negative terminal of a battery. In this, the biasing is used to depend upon three types, that is forward blocking, another one is forward conduction, another one is reverse blocking. Next, come under forward. What is meant by forward blocking? Forward blocking means in this anode terminal an electrode is connected to positive, whereas the cathode is connected to negative terminal. Okay. In this, the SCR acts as a open switch. In this, no pulse are given or no voltage are applied to this terminal. Okay, in this J1 and J3 are forward bias, whereas J2 is reverse bias. Due to this, a small leakage current will flow across the gate terminal so that the SCR offers high resistance, so that the SCR has a open switch. Okay, this is about the forward block. Next comes under forward conduction. What is meant by forward conduction means, in this two methods are there. That is, in forward conduction, we are applying a positive voltage. That is, anode we are applying a positive. Nothing but in this two voltages means nothing but we increasing the positive voltage, or simply applying positive pulse to the gate terminal. The two methods are used in forward conduction. So that anode is connected to positive, whereas the cathode is connected to negative. So that it is used to cross the avalanche breakdown, so that SCR acts as closed switch so that the current flows to the circuit, so that SCR will be conducted. The conduction takes place, and it is used to depend on load resistance as well as impedance of the circuit. Next one, it comes under reverse conduction. In this, we are applying anode electrode, we are giving a negative, whereas cathode we are giving a positive signal, so that it can be worked in reverse bias condition, so that in this J1, J3 are reverse bias, and J2 is forward bias. Okay, so that SCR acts as a open switch. In this, no current flows through the circuit. Okay, in reverse condition, the SCR will be in off state. In conduction state, the SCR will be on state. Like this, the three types of conductions are being executed in SCR. You simply draw the circuit of the four layers PN, PN. Okay, like that, we are applying a load resistor that is being connected with in this anode. It is a cathode, and then applying in this no voltage is been applied, then it is known as forward conduction. A voltage is been applied, then it acts as a forward conduction. No voltage is applied, it acts as a reverse conduction. Like that, we are applying the four layer circuit. Okay, conductions already know. You are having three junctions, that is J1, J2, another one is J3. Okay, next one, for this, the advantages of the SCR, nothing but it may be used in different applications, like light dimmers, motor speed controls, heater controls, as well as power protection circuits, as well as it may be used in industries in order to manage high power and with the high efficiency. Okay, it may be cost is low for SCR, whereas SCR having a fuse element for controlling. It can be used in battery charges circuits. Number of advantages or applications are been for SCR. It may be famous application is SCR as can be used as voltage regulator. This for example 90 voltage AC voltage can be operated with 1.5 volts. That is a famous application. These are the, it can be used in high DC power transmission. This was the famous advantage for SCR. And basic it's having a few disadvantages, like it cannot, the gate cannot be operated with negative voltage. Okay, it's having it cannot be operated at higher frequencies. Okay, this is a basic disadvantages. Okay, it's having basic in the, it's a switching speed also very high, nothing but 1 nanosecond operation per second. Okay, it's easy to install and easy to maintain and easy to control by gate terminal. Okay, it can be as unidirectional, nothing but it can be acts as a diode also. Okay, and nothing but it can be also act as an rectifier also, whereas rectifier means it is you only, it's convert AC to pulsating DC. Okay, it can be also utilized as in maybe inverters. Okay, last one is generally we used to take a graph, that is voltage along x-axis as well as current along y-axis, so that this is V negative, V positive, positive voltage, and in the I positive as well as current positive as well as current negative. The graph will be like this. In the this is the graph of SCR, nothing but it is a reverse bias. It is nothing but on state. It is nothing but forward blocking. It is nothing but gate, nothing but it can be on by using triggering on. Another one is it's a breakdown. It's a reverse condition. Okay, this is simple graph, that is voltage along x-axis and current along y-axis. And the already you know that in this we are having three types of blocking, that is forward blocking, forward conduction. Another one is reverse block. This is the graph about VI characteristics of SCR. Okay, I am giving a short note. Okay, this is the graph look like SCR. Okay, thank you for listening.